Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes of Upper Public School Kalburgi. I am Kaveri Kori, your computer teacher for grade 4. Kids, in last class we have discussed and we have started lesson number 7, that is more about MS Word, and lesson number 7 is continued part of lesson number 6, that is selecting and editing text in MS Word. In lesson number 6, we have learned basics about MS Word, like how to select the text using mouse and how to select the text using keyboard, introduction about MS Word, how to copy the text, how to paste the text, how to cut or how to move the text, and how to delete the text, and at last how to use undo and redo commands and where to use. These few basics about MS Word we have learned in last class. So, and we were having some shortcuts also. Please complete writing them, write down in your classwork. We are having shortcut keys in lesson number 6 as well as in lesson number 7. Please keep this in mind. And in lesson number 7, in last class, we have started the lesson and we have discussed the key points are about grammatical and spelling mistakes. Right, about grammatical and spelling mistakes, how the grammatical mistakes will be underlined, how that will be shown by green wavy lines. Okay, how the spelling mistakes has been shown by red wavy lines. Okay, and how to correct them even if you don't know the spelling of the words. We have saw in last class, and finding and replacing the text. What is finding the text? What is finding the text? Finding the text is nothing but searching or finding of same words which are repeated in a document. More than 2 to 3 or more than one word if they are repeated in a document, how to search them is nothing but finding the text. So what is formatting options in MS Word? Formatting is the way of changing the appearance of the text. What is formatting? Formatting is the way of changing the appearance of the text. Okay, formatting text helps us to emphasize important information and organize the document. Children, again in formatting options, we are going to learn about changing of font size, changing of font style, changing of font color, and highlighting the text, and how to use italic, bold and underline option, and changing of text case and changing of text alignment. What is changing of font size? Changing of font size means increasing or decreasing the font size. Okay. Changing of font style means the style of the letters changed from one style to another style, like Calibri, Vardhana and all. How to do that we are going to learn today. And changing of font color means we can change the letters color from one color to another color, like from black to red, red to green. Words or letters color we can change. How to change we'll see. And highlighting the text. These all we'll see in this session. We'll begin. We'll open Word first. Wait for the minute. Opening. Click on New. Click on Blank Document. Wait for the minute. Yes, we got MS Word application software now. See, we'll start with the changing of font. To change font, something we have to write. What we have to write? What we have to write? Fourth standard. You guys are in 4th standard, right? I'll write in capital letter. Wait. To write in capital letters, what we have to do? We have to press or we have to click on caps lock key. Yes, see, I have written 4th standard. Can you guys observe this? No, right? Because you cannot see this. The letters are too small. I want to increase the font size. How to increase the font size? First, what you have to do, take the cursor, use mouse, left click and drag and select the text which you have written. After selecting, what you have to do, either first go to font group here, either click on this big letter A, or else, can you see this box, numbered box? Click on this, select the size here. If you select higher number, the letters will be, size of the letters will be increased. If you select low number, the size of the letters will be decreased. This is the way to change the font size. Font size means increasing or decreasing size of the letters. Okay, either we can use this or else we can use this one. These two capital letter A alphabet are there. If you press on, the letters will be increased, or else if we click on smaller A, the letters will be decreased. This is the way to change the font size. Okay, now we'll see how to change the font style. Means this letters is in Calibri. Calibri is a type of font style. Okay, now how to change this? To change the font style, first we have to select the text. How to select the text? Either you can do Ctrl+C or else take mouse, keep cursor here, beginning of the words, and drag and select like this using mouse left click. After selecting like this, what you have to do, again go to font group here. Can you see this font group? Okay, in ribbon area, second group is font group. In font group, go here, click on this. See, these all are types of font style present in MS Word. We are having hundreds of font style in MS Word. Can you observe these all? Yes, by selecting any one among these, see, can you observing the font style? By selecting any one among these, we can change the font style. Observe here. See, yes or no? The font style is changing. Yes or no? Yes. See, this is the way to change the font style. See, in formatting options, to change the font size, to change the font style, to change the text case, see, these all will be done under font group. How to make bold, italic, underline, these also will be done under font group. And this is nothing but formatting in MS Word. What is formatting? Changing the font style, font size, making bold, italic, underline, changing the text cases. What is text cases? I will explain further. Doing all this is formatting options in MS Word. We'll move next. Now we'll see how to change the font color. What is the color of this font right now? Black. What is the color of these letters? Black. I want to change this color of letters. How to change? We'll see now. Yes. For that also, you guys have to select the text. Before applying anything, compulsory we have to select the text. It is mandatory. After selecting only we can perform any actions. Okay, select the text first. For better understanding, I will take Vardhana letter so that you guys can understand. Yes, I want to change the font color of 4th standard. How to change? In font group, again, can you see this? A letter with red color underline. Yes, click on this like this here. Now, please observe carefully. We are having these many colors in changing of text colors. Okay, we can select any color which we want. Observe the text color now. Changing. I will take red color. Done. Done. Yes, we can change it to yellow also. This is the way to change the font color. Now we'll move next. Now we'll see how to highlight the text. See, we have selected the text and we have changed the font color. Now we have to change the font and highlighting the text. How to highlight the text? Again, go to font group and beside this alphabet A underlined with a red color, beside this small AB letters is present. Can you observe this? Observe carefully and click on this like this. See, we are having these many colors. By selecting any color among these, we can highlight the text. Observe carefully. Are you guys observing here? Yes, this is the way to highlight the text in MS Word. Right? How to increase the font size? By clicking here. Okay, can we move next? See, we have seen changing of font size, changing of font color, and how to change the highlighting the text. And now we'll move and we'll see now how to make the letters as bold, italic and underline. Now we'll see how to use bold, italic and underline effect. What is bold option? See, bold is nothing but increasing of thickness of the letters. How to bold the text? What you have to do first? You have to select the text like this. Use mouse, left click, drag and drop. The text has been selected now. Now what you have to do? Go to font group again here and we have BIU. Downside line here. Click on B and observe carefully. Yes, once again I will show. See, now the thickness of these letters is bit narrow. Now observe after making it as bold. Observe, this is the way we can bold the text. Now what is italic style? See, making of the text in bit slanting way. Observe here. For that again you have to select the text. I will click on here I. Observe. Once again you observe. The letters will be bit slanted. See. Yes. Yes. Now how to underline the text? Already the text has been selected. Just click on U. Underline. Yes, this is the way to use bold, italic and underline. And kids, for these also we are having shortcut keys. For bold we are having Ctrl plus B. Directly if I click on Ctrl plus B after selecting the text will be in bold. And for italic, Ctrl plus I. First letter of these words. Bold B, italic I, and for underline U. Okay, now we'll move next. Changing the text case. What is the changing the text case? The change the case drop down menu allows us to change the case of the existing text without retyping. I'll repeat once again. The change case drop down menu allows us to change the case of existing text without retyping. And to change the text, we have following step. Step 1. First, we have to select the text. I repeat again and again, to perform any action, we have to select the text. First step. Then click on Home tab. Click on Home tab. We are in Home tab already. This is nothing but Home tab. And next, click on drop down arrow. See, this is for changing the text cases. Okay, click on this here like this, and then next choose the desired option from the list. See, again in text cases we are having 5 types. What are those? Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, toggle case. What is sentence case? What is sentence case? The first character of the word of the sentence is capitalized. Means I have written 4th standard here. Other than this, I will write something. Can I write your section name Amarja and Bhima? Only 3 section name I will write first. Then rest students from Amarja, Bhima, Kaveri don't think that my teacher did not written our section name. Just for to show the example, I have writing like this. I have written like this. See, click here. What is sentence case? In sentence case, the first character of the first word will be capitalized. Means I have written everything in capital letter, right? See, all letters now are in small letter. Means first letter, means here in Amarja only first letter will be capitalized. If I click on sentence case, for that what we have to do? We have to select the text like this. Go here, click on sentence case. Observe. Now only a letter, that is first letter from this sentence, has been capitalized. It is called sentence case. Why these Amarja, Bhima, Kaveri are underlined with red wavy lines? These are not spelling mistakes. These words are not saved in this document. That's why. For that what we have to do? Right click, ignore all. Right click, ignore all. Right click, ignore all. Okay. Now we'll see next lowercase. Now this A is in capital letter. I want all letters will be in small letter. See, 4th standard I have written in capital letter. I don't want to erase this and I don't want to write once again. But I want to change this as in lowercase. How to do that? Select the text like this. Go here. Click on lowercase. Observe carefully now. Changed? Yes, this is the way to use the sentence cases. Now we'll go next. Now uppercase. Now these letters are in small letters and the first letter only in capital letter. How to change full sentence in capital letter? Again select the text like this. Go here. Click on uppercase. Uppercase means all letters should be in capital letters. Yes or no? Click here and observe. Changed? Yes. We'll move next. Now capitalize each word. What is capitalize each word? What is capitalize each word? Capitalize the first letter of each word is capitalized. Means in Amarja A will be capitalized. In Bhima B will be capitalized. In Kaveri C will be capitalized. Means in each word first letter will be capitalized. That is capitalizing of each word. How to do that again? Select, click. 4th option, capitalize each word option, click. Observe now, A, B, C will be in capital letter now. Done? Yes. Now next, toggle case. How to change the letters in toggle case? How to change the letters in toggle case? What is toggle case? Toggle case is changes the lower case character to uppercase and the uppercase character to lower case. We'll see what will happen now. Select the text first. Click here. Click on toggle case. What has happened? Only the first letter has been changed to lower case and the all letters has been changed to upper letter. So usually we don't use this toggle case. We'll use uppercase, lowercase and all. Okay. Now last bit we'll start now. Last bit we'll see now. How to change the text alignment. What is text alignment? To change the alignment of the text, we use this text alignment. Means again in text alignment we are having 4 types. What are those? Align to the left, align to the center, align to the right side and justify. Means what? Instead of explaining, I will just show what is text alignment and 4 types. Wait, I will decrease the size first. Wait, for that first we have to write something. Okay. Means why I am doing like this? To show this, we must type something. Instead of typing something, I am doing like this. Okay, see, wait. Now the text is in left alignment. What is left alignment? How to change the text to left alignment? Means from left, how to make the text to the left alignment? Select the text like this, go to paragraph group here, click here. Already the text is in left alignment. Now how to make the text to center alignment? Select the text, click on this here. For center alignment, we are having shortcut key as Control plus E. Instead of clicking here, going here, if we select the text and if we press Control plus E at a time, the text will be aligned to center. Click on this center. Are you guys are observing what is text alignment and what is the effects of it? Now align to right. Means observe the right end here. Aligning. Okay. Now what is justify? Usually to write something, to create any paragraph or to create any text document, we have to use text document. Okay. What is text document? See here. Observe. Yes. This is the way to change the text alignment in MS Word. Kids, see children, by this your 7th lesson has been completed. What are the topics we have discussed today? Formatting options. What is formatting options? Formatting is the way of changing of appearance of the text. We have saw how to change the font style, how to change the font size, highlighting the text, changing font color, and text cases. What are the text cases? Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. 5 text cases. And about alignment, 4 types of alignment. It is very important. You must remember this. What are the 4 types of alignment? Align to left, align to right, align to center, and justify. And we are having shortcuts for these are to left, align to left, Control plus L. We can remember very easily. Left word L, Control plus L. Center, Control plus E. Align text to right, Control plus R. Justify, Control plus J. First letters they have given as shortcuts. You can remember very easily. And please practice at your home. Without practicing, you may feel difficulty to understand the practical lessons. Right? Practice at home. Ask me if you have got any doubt. And thank you. Good day.